Today's vegetable recipe is a hearty veg stew. This is one of our favourite meals from Deliciously Ella. This simple recipe is incredibly tasty, doesn't take very long to cook, and it thickens up lovely without the aid of anything else. Just the lentils do this. This recipe should serve 4 people, or 3 if you've got a big appetite. It's as simple as just throwing all your veg into the pan that you've chopped up and then adding the soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, miso and passata. Just season with pepper here, no need for salt, as we've got soy and miso in this, it's salty enough. Let it cook for around about 20 to 25 minutes and stir in occasionally till it thickens up beautifully. Just look how rich and thick this is. We serve this with our homemade bread and it's just gorgeous. Enjoy.